Alright, this is part 2 of my mini-verse thing. So, now we're gonna eat the sun. No, we're not gonna eat it. I think it's like a little tray put on it, but like, where's the actual thing? Like, oh, I had to put it back all in back again. So like, if you're thinking that I just opened this, and this is the first time I just opened it, yeah, you're wrong. That's it, we just have to make it. Use our imagination. Alright then, I guess. Got the crust. Weird design. Then we got some blueberries. Yummy blueberries. My little sister. Eat these up so I make sure to not spill any of them. God damn. Where are they coming out? Why? Why? Why you do this to me? Why? Why? How about I just like... I got an idea. I'm gonna have to speed it up though. Alright. Let's start making. Alright, again, I have to make a part 3. This is like my first video that I have to make a part 3. So, see ya.